Hello, little pilots! Today we are going on a happy sky adventure. Are you ready to draw a cute little airplane friend? Let's take off slowly, step by step, and have fun together. First, let's imagine our airplane flying through a bright white sky. It is not just any airplane. This airplane has a happy face, shiny eyes, a sweet smile, and a colorful body. It is ready to become our new drawing friend. Let's begin with the airplane's main body. Draw a long, rounded airplane shape, almost like a soft blue tube flying across the sky. Make the front part round and friendly, and let the back part gently narrow toward the tail. This will become the airplane's body, also called the fuselage. Great job! Our airplane already has a place to carry passengers on a fun sky trip. Now let's add the nose cone at the very front. Next, let's draw the tail fins. Now add the vertical tail fin. This is the upright fin at the very back of the airplane. Draw it standing tall, like a little flag on the tail. It helps guide the airplane through the sky. Great work. At the back of the airplane, add the left and right tail fins. These small fins help the airplane stay balanced while flying. Make them simple, rounded, and outlined clearly. Now let's draw the wings. Add one large wing on the side of the airplane body. Make it stretch outward with a strong but rounded shape. This wing helps the airplane glide through the air. Then add the other wing, or visible wing part, depending on the angle, keeping the shape simple and bold. Wings are very important because they help our airplane lift up, and away. Let's add the landing gear and wheel. Under the airplane body, draw one small wheel. Start with a black round tire, then add a white rim inside, and a small black center hub. This wheel helps the airplane roll on the runway before it takes off into the sky. Good job! Our airplane is ready for both ground and sky. Now let's move to the cabin windows. Along the side of the airplane body, draw 3 rounded rectangular windows. Make them evenly spaced, one after another. These are the passenger windows. Imagine tiny teddy bears, toy animals, or little friends looking out and waving from inside. Later, we will color these windows bright yellow so they shine like warm sunshine. Next, let's draw the cockpit window. At the front of the airplane, draw a large rounded white window shape. This is where the airplane's face will go. Make it big enough for the eyes, eyebrows, cheeks, and smile. This cockpit window is very special because it helps our airplane look alive and friendly. Draw a bright red rounded circle at the front tip of the airplane. This little red nose makes the airplane look extra cheerful, like it is saying, "Hello, friends." Wonderful! The airplane is starting to show its personality. Next comes the mouth. Draw a sweet curved smile on the airplane's face. Make the smile soft and friendly. Our airplane is not rushing. It is happily flying along, inviting everyone to join the drawing adventure. Now let's draw the cheek. On the face area, add a small red cheek detail. This makes the airplane look cute and warm, almost like it is blushing because it is so happy to fly with us. Nice work. Now let's draw the eyes. Inside the cockpit window, draw 2 big oval eyes. Make them looking forward with a bright and curious feeling. Add black pupils inside the eyes and leave small white sparkle spots so the eyes look shiny and happy. Wow! Now our airplane can see the sky, the clouds, and all the little artists drawing with us. Let's add the eyebrows. Above the eyes, draw 2 gentle curved eyebrows. These eyebrows help our airplane look kind, excited, and full of joy. They are small, but they make a big difference in the airplane's expression. The airplane now has its body, wings, tail, and face. Let's check our drawing. We have the main body, the red nose cone, the cockpit window, the eyes, eyebrows, cheek, mouth, cabin windows, wheel, wings, tail fins, and vertical tail fin. Our airplane friend is complete. Now it is time to color. First, let's color the main airplane body blue. Fill the fuselage, the wings, and the tail parts with a bright, happy blue. Imagine the airplane is painted with the color of a clear, sunny sky. Try to stay inside the bold black lines. If you go outside a little, that is okay. We are learning and having fun. Now, let's color the cabin windows yellow. Fill each of the 3 rounded passenger windows with a bright, warm yellow. These windows can look like little glowing lights as the airplane flies through the sky. 1 yellow window, 2 yellow windows, 3 yellow windows. Beautiful! Now let's color the red parts. Fill the nose cone with bright red, then color the cheek and mouth details red too. The red color makes the airplane look playful, cheerful, and full of energy. It is like the airplane is smiling because it loves flying with you. Let's keep the cockpit window white so the face looks clean and bright. Keep the eyes black and white with little shiny highlights. The black pupils make the eyes clear, and the white sparkles make them look magical. Now look at your airplane friend. It has a blue body, yellow windows, red nose and cheeks, a cute smiling face, strong wings, a little wheel, and happy tail fins. It looks ready to take off. Let's pretend the airplane is starting its engine. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The wheel rolls gently on the runway. The wings stretch wide. The airplane smiles bigger. It says, "Are you ready, little pilot?" Then it zooms forward, lifts into the air, and flies across the bright white sky. Up it goes, over fluffy clouds, past a rainbow, and around a sparkling star. The airplane waves with its wings and says, "Great drawing today." Every part you drew helped bring this airplane to life. The body helped it fly, the windows made it bright, the wings gave it lift, the tail kept it steady, and the face made it sweet and friendly. Now your cute airplane is not just a drawing anymore. It is your sky adventure friend. It can fly to a mountain, a beach, a city, or even a magical cloud castle. Wherever it goes, it carries your colors, your imagination, and your wonderful artwork. Fantastic job, little artist. You drew a happy airplane step by step, colored it beautifully, and helped it fly into a fun surprise adventure.
Hello! I love you! Come back soon! Let's draw with me and play again!
I had so much fun drawing with you today. You did an incredible job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!